Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laquelle. So today we're starting off with a fresh face. I already did my eyebrows, already concealed them. My hair, I tried to diffuse my hair. I don't know, I have to get some more curling products because clearly the ones I got ain't for this. So my hair is big today. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with my Becca Backlight Primer Filter. And I'm going to apply that to the face. I've never used this before. I just opened this, so hopefully it does me good. From the feel of it, it feels smooth. It does give my face like a little shimmer, I guess you can say that. I don't know. But so today we're going to start off with the eyes first because I am working with black and I don't want fallout to come onto my contour and I get irritated and have to hurt somebody. No, I'm just kidding. Before all of that, what am I doing? What you doing, girl? I'm going to go in with Tarte Shape Tape to prime my lids because I didn't do that earlier. I'm going to go in with this, you already know, Sippin' Pretty palette. Now we're going to go in with Moscow Mule, which is this color right here. It's like a purple light pink color. And we're going to apply that to the crease. So it kind of is showing up. It's very buildable. This whole palette is very buildable. So now that we have that in the lid, you really can't see it. I'm going to put Close the Tab, which is this brown, and I'm going to add that to the crease as well. Like on the lower part of the crease though. Like right above my eyelid. This thing right here from BH Cosmetics, it like cleans your brushes. So if like you want to dip into one eyeshadow or the other, it's the truth, honey. So I'm really going for like a smoky eye. So then I'm going to go in with this color right here, which is called Sangria. And I'm going to apply that in my crease as well, above all three of those colors. So then now I'm going to go in with this blackout shade, y'all. It's not that bad of a fallout because usually black you'd be scared to work with because of the fallout. You don't want to fuck up your face. But that's exactly why I did my eyeshadow first. So I think that's as high as I'm going to bring it. Then I'm going to go in with that E17 brush. I'm just going to apply a little bit of it on the brush and I'm just going to try to blend all that together. Then I'm going to go back in with that Sangria color and I'm just going to put some of that on a blending brush and blend it together. So I'm going to do the other eye and then I'll be back. Now we have the other eye done. We'll come back to the eyes. For foundation, I'm going to go in with my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. I'm going to go in with my NARS concealer, and I'm going to conceal my highlighted areas. Clearly I'm running out of this too, dang. I haven't brought NARS makeup in a minute. My next foundation I'm going to try is probably going to be, honestly, I don't know. But I also want to try the Jackie Aina foundation. So, we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye with the Makeup Revolution banana powder as usual. Y'all already know I like use brushes for everything. So then I'm just going to wipe that off because I don't do baking. So now I'm going to go in with Clove. I look like who did it and why with my hair looking like this, don't I? And remember I told you guys that this goes a long way, so. And I don't really need a contour much because my hair is big, so. Now I'm going to go in with my ColourPop. I'm going to set that contour. We're going to go back to this. We're going to put Gopher, which is the teardrop of the eye. Actually, we're not. We're just going to put that in the beginning of the eye. So I'm going to go in with Kylie's black eyeliner. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe E36 brush, and I'm going to take black out, and it's a bullet brush. And I'm going to apply that. I'm going to smudge out that black. Connecting my eyes, connecting the eyeshadow, the two eyeshadows together. I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro brush, and I'm going to contour my nose. So now it's time to set my face. I'm going to go on with NYX Matte Finishing Spray. So I'm going to go ahead and put on mascara and lashes, and I'll be back. Okay, so I went ahead and added some lashes, y'all. I put some bottom lashes on. Wait, just wait. I'm gonna insert some pictures. I'm gonna insert some flicks or whatever. I think I'm feeling it. No, I know I'm feeling it. Like, y'all, I'm feeling it. Now we're going to go in for the lips. For the lips, I'm going to use, of course, Glow Hopper. For the lips, I'm going to be using Keisha Kayor's lipstick. I'm going to be using this brown. And this is in the color Coco Loco. And this color is a matte finish. I'm feeling this. So now for the highlight, because you know your girl didn't forget about the highlight. I'm going to go in with Milani. You guys, this highlight is like booming, okay? I'm going to spray my Morphe M501 brush, just a little bit. And I'm going to apply this highlight to the face. Do y'all see that? Yeah. I got this big box of makeup from, well, it's not a big box, but it's a box. It's a box, sis. From my girl Tiara Walker. And I'm going to use this blush called Living the California Dream from Benefit. It's a pretty color. I'm going to just apply some of that. I don't know if it made a difference or not, but so you guys, I think this is it. This is the finished look. So you guys, this is the final look. I really am feeling this look. Like, it's cute. I'm popping. I can't wait to take some selfies because, yes, honey. What you say? What you say about me? I'm living for it, sis. Like, it's popping. Like, do y'all see that highlight? Yes, I know y'all see that highlight. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you are notified when I post a new video. Don't forget to also follow my other social media. I really appreciate you guys watching this video so much. It means the world to me. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.